Hello, good afternoon to all the buddies here that you are seeing me. Now, in this time period, I just want to share one thing. Really, this thing is very, very majestic and blatant for you. What thing you are just thinking here, it means that what type of thinking I want to share you in this time period, in this time slot. Really, the thing is just that I'm telling you, please wait, little wait. Okay? So, I want to share one thing. The thing is hindrance. What? Hindrance. Hindrance called to be in Hindi badha. It means that what type of things that just create the hindrance role, okay, in your life. It means that if you want to speak more, but the condition is just that some of the things play the hindrance or play the barrier role in your life, okay, and that type of thing just creates the barrier role, okay, whatever you want to speak, whatever you want to stammer from your mouth. Actually, I'm just telling to you, please wait. The thing is just that is common, really, that is too common, naturally. This thing is happened and in most of the times, from most of the buddies, okay, I have also watched it out, the thing, okay. If any of the one like you that wants to speak English more and more confidently, naturally, but they just stop and they just think in most of the times, okay, in most of the situation, what I have to speak next, because of that, really, the words are not coming to my mind, okay, there is no need to play a role, okay, this is not the condition, okay, this is not the bizarre, okay, because of that, in this circadian life, everybody wants to improve the level, but the thing is just that some of the things, okay, that just stopping you, that they just pausing you. So at that time, what you have to do? You have to just carry on the topic, you have to just cover up the topic, and ultimately when you just become stuck, so at that time you have to just suggest the substitute, okay, substitute of the topic, okay. If you just and you realize that really in that time I just become stuck, so on that time, buddies, please do not fear about that, okay, because you can easily cope up the situation, really, you easily cope up the situation. How can I say so that you just become cope up? Because you can easily deliver what you want with the help of the substitute. Whatever chunks you are using from your mouth, on any of the strength topic, because if any one of the person just tell to you, please, you have to give the speech on this topic, so ultimately there is no sudden, okay, you do not fear about this topic. How can I say, how can I tell, okay, no need, okay. I know very well that you are not a grammarian Nazi here, but this is not the thinking, this is not the tendency that you have to think about that. Only and only the target is just that you have to cover up the topic, whatever topic is just this, okay, whatever topic you want to cover. So ultimately the focus, your main focus is just from the what? Only and only you have to focus the target, your topic. The target is to be your topic. It means that what topic you just want to deliver now, okay. So it means that you have to cover on that topic. It means that you have to focus on that topic, whatever topic you just want to go through, right? Understood? And the most next thing that I want to share with you, please, this is my humble request to all the ones, okay, if you are the person here that you fear too much inside your heart, okay, of the spoken English language, because I know very well this condition that I have also watched out that from most of the buddies I have seen this condition that they become just fear, okay, they hesitate, many more times they hesitate, really many more times they hesitate, because they think, most of the time they think, okay, about the fear. They do not concentrate about the topic, what topic just they want to go through, but only and only they just estimate, they just calculate fear, okay. So please, this video really helps you. The condition is just that if you want to speak English, confidently. So please, firstly, remove the fear aside. Remove the fear aside. Do not, because fear always plays the barrier role in speaking. What you want to speak, what you want to achieve in the life, okay, in the front of the speakers. If you are the speaker and the another thing is listener. So if you want to speak any of the thing in the front of the listener, so ultimately they play the hindrance role. Fear play the hindrance role. Okay. So please, it is my humble request to all the ones, please, I am telling you, really, this is the basic thing and this is the pure thing also. With the core of my heart, I am telling to you, to all the ones, man makes mistakes, it's natural, okay? If you want to speak more, so please, you know one thing, practice makes a man perfect. Practice makes a man perfect. So ultimately, whatever you want to achieve the goal, you can easily achieve. I am telling you, really, you can easily achieve the goal. But you have to concentrate the topic. You have to consistent also the situation. Okay, I am just bind up the session of today. I hope so that you just like this video, what I am just telling to you here, and what I just want to share you. Okay, so one thing I just want to tell you, please, it is my humble request with the core of my heart to you, because you are my pretty, okay, you are my pretty audience that you are watching me here. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, my channel is Mohit Verma Education Mantra, as you are seeing here. Okay, and don't forget to like it also, because your like, okay, your like button and your subscribe button also really encourages me to make more videos. Okay, really. So please, for the today's session, thanks a lot. Bye bye. Heads off. Salam.